Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use an easy at-home pregnancy test. First, always read the instructions that come with your specific test kit. They are your best guide. Next, check the expiration date on the box to ensure accuracy. You might need a clean cup to collect urine, so have one ready. For the most reliable results, it's often recommended to use your first morning urine, as it typically has the highest concentration of the pregnancy hormone. Now, let's perform the test. You have two main options. Either collect your urine in a clean, dry cup and dip the absorbent tip of the test stick into it for the specified time, usually 5 to 10 seconds. Or, you can hold the absorbent tip directly in your urine stream for about 5 seconds. After applying the urine, place the test stick on a clean, flat, non-absorbent surface. This part is crucial, waiting for your results. It's vital to wait the exact amount of time indicated in your test's instructions. Most tests show results within 3 to 5 minutes. However, do not read the result after the maximum wait time, which is often around 10 minutes. Reading too early or too late can give you an inaccurate result, so patience is key for reliability. Finally, let's interpret your results. First, always look for the control line. If it doesn't appear, the test is invalid. Generally, one line means a negative result, indicating you are likely not pregnant. Two lines, even if faint, usually signify a positive result, suggesting pregnancy. For any result, especially a positive one, it's always best to consult a healthcare professional for confirmation and guidance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.